In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Mailerlite. First, sign in and head straight to your Mailerlite dashboard. This is your home base where you can see everything at a glance and jump into the parts of your account you use most. From here, open the campaigns section. This is where your email campaigns live, including drafts you're still working on and messages you've already prepared. Locate the campaign where you want to add a survey and click Edit to open it. This takes you into the campaign setup so you can adjust what your subscribers will receive. Next, select Edit Content to enter the email editor. This is the drag and drop builder where you design the actual email. You'll see your layout in the center and a panel of content blocks on the left. Take a moment to review your email structure so you know exactly where the survey should go. Placing it near the top can improve response rates, but putting it after a short introduction also works well. On the left sidebar, browse through the available blocks. Look for the special section and choose Survey. Click and drag the survey block into your email where you want it to appear. Once you drop it in, you'll see its settings open so you can start customizing. In the content panel, add a clear single-purpose question. Keep the wording short and specific to encourage more clicks. If you plan to ask for feedback, set a neutral tone and avoid leading language. You can also fine-tune options like whether the question is required, add brief helper text to set expectations, and adjust button or label text to match your brand voice. Now choose the type of survey that best fits your goal. If you want a quick pulse check, a thumbs up, down, or yes, no works well. For measuring satisfaction, consider a rating scale. For more detailed insights, multiple choice can help you categorize responses efficiently. Pick the format that makes it easiest for subscribers to respond without thinking too hard. Before you finish, review your spelling, make sure the question is easy to understand, and confirm that the placement looks good on both desktop and mobile. Short surveys drive higher completion, so stay focused on one question if possible. When everything looks right, click Save Settings. This locks in your survey configuration inside the email so you can move on with the rest of your campaign setup whenever you're ready. And that's it. Your survey is now embedded in your Mailerlite email, ready to gather feedback the moment your campaign goes out.